Can you help me look for my stethoscope in my first aid bag? Let's reach in together. Is this my stethoscope? I don't think so. Gotta try again. Could this be my stethoscope? Not quite. Gotta try one more time. Two stethoscopes? That means baby Rihanna can listen to my heart and I can listen to hers. Do you hear my heart? Whoa. Okay, now I'm going to listen to baby Rihanna's heart. Can I listen to your heart? Wow, you have a really strong heart. Thanks for letting me listen. Wanna help me listen to Luna's lung sounds now? Let's do it. We have one heart, but we have two lungs. Can you take a deep breath? Remember, you can smell the flowers and blow out the candles. Wow, Luna has a really healthy lung. I'm gonna put my stethoscope on her right upper back, and now I can hear her lung. Wow, she's already taking deep breaths. Good job, Luna. You know exactly what to do. Wow, thank you so much, Luna. That was amazing. Stethoscopes aren't scary. Sometimes they can feel a little cold, but that's all.